Something to buy the bug, yeah. The bug, buy the yeah. Set the potato, boy, sunlight that always stays, dinner by the waterway. It's that sweet life. Raise your
So I was trying to go around the Tre Cime di Lavaredo here at the Cortina, a very scenic hike, but I couldn't get to the Alp to start the hike because the street was closed. So I left the car to Amalga, and instead of going 7 kilometers on the street, I decided to take a path that is pretty steep and it's gonna bring me up there, and we'll see how it works. I mean,
now I never wanna go home. I left my heart in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. Shopping the girl, I brought a girl on my Vespa. She said I already told ya.
on the way back to Cortina, I'm gonna take a swim in one of the lakes to fresh myself up. So, nice weather. It's the very first official trip after the long Corona COVID lockdown period. It's finally summer. I'm vaccinated, and I got a feeling the life starts again to be what it used to be. We found a Riffugio.
Got some kids dancing in the alleyway. Crazy how the melodies began to play, yeah. Tell me how you feel it when you hear the lyric, yeah. My heart's in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. I left my heart in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. Separate again. Sunlight that always stays in about the waterway. It's that sweet life, sweet life, sweet life. I never wanna go home, go home. I'm living in Stockholm.
Le Tre Cime di Lavaredo, and I'm coming back on the street now. No barefoot, no shoes.
In Stockholm, Stockholm. Yeah. Shut up, I get the bed, the body. Never get good, never get good, get